Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today, guys, I will introduce you another app. So I've been use a lot of apps like Scratch or Google Google app things like that. But today it's different. I will start a new app. The new app is BuildBox. So BuildBox is like a, a game builder like that, but you can customize like making 2D game and 3D game like that. Okay, so I gonna quick review and we gonna make one single game. So in here we have the templates like the Martian Marathon in here, the desert toss like this, and an fact adventure game, and then a spaceship game, installer strike, ball flipper, progression in here, space buggy, stock, same as the desert toss, trap, leap, pull, draw, fall switch, impossible, and many more. And then here the tutorial. If you kind of have a problem to make game, you can watch in here. Can see the tutorial how to make a running ball like that. Then in here updates, so you have to stay tuned to updates your BuildBox. For Mac, the new version is 3.3.6, 3.3.5 for the Windows. So this is for Mac, this is for Windows. Okay, back to the template. So first, if you wanna create new game, click here. Then you may choose your what you gonna build, 3D game, new 2D game, or the wizard. Or if you already have a like file, you can open your project in here, then select your file. But I gonna make a new game in here. As I told you, I gonna make a new 3D game. Okay, so let's make a new project. It may take a long time. Okay, so we're in. So as you can see in here, we have like the start block, and this is the 3D world. Okay, so let's start. So first, you may double click on the 3D world like this. Then it will open the 3D world tab. Okay, so let's just start. First, you may click the ground in here. Then you may choose the ground type. Sorry, I gonna take my video someone else. Okay, you may click on the ground type in here. Change grass to no ground, so it will get black. Okay, so in here I gonna tell you this is the move tool. You can move the block wherever you want, like this, up, down. And then what is called rotate tool. You can rotate your block So basically, if you have play Roblox, you know Roblox Studio. I think it's same like Roblox Studio because you may design some game, but Roblox Studio it's only for Roblox. But in BuildBox you can make all type of game. So let's move to the other tool. The next tool is the the stroke tool, I guess, to make it scale tool. Oh yes, I forget scale tool to make it like this, to make it thin or make it long as you want, like that. Let's make like this. Get back to normal size. Okay, then this is the multi-tool. In here you have all, you can rotate, you can like up and down, control, move your items. Then this is the rotate, I guess. Yes, it's the rotate. It's to rotate like this. And then same as scale tool, you can make it like this, like that. Then you can rotate it too, like this. Okay, so let's start. First you may use your scale tool in here. Oh yes, I forget. It's recommended if you use wheelbox, you may have a mouse, because if you don't have, it will make it harder to make a game like this. Okay, let's head back to the um scale tool. I always forgot the name, sorry. Make it thin. Okay, let's rotate it. Use the move tool in here. It may take a long time, so if you want to skip it, you can skip it. But I don't want to skip it because I don't know. I just don't want to skip it. Let's use the multi tool. Make it smaller, smaller, smaller. Mm, 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 oop, the move tool. Let me see from the other side. Use the scale tool to make it longer. So I think this is the start. This is the start, and this is, wait, I may move this. This is the end. Okay. Um, back to the move tool, scale tool. Okay, so in here we have 1 2 3 1 2 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 2 3 4 5 6. Let's make it more. One, two, three, four, five, six. Okay, then this is 4. Five. mm, just 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is have to fit perfectly. Okay, then let's move on to the asset library. Okay, so in here we have just one cube. Let's edit more. So you may click in the asset library, then you may click cube, then add to library. We just need two, and then click on spare, add to library two. Then go to the smart assets, click on diamond, like this, add to library, then it's done. Then search for the with the deep fly, add to library two, and then I guess that's all. Back to the 3D world. Okay, so in here I'm gonna change the name. This is the name is cube edits. This is enemy. This is player. Gonna make the name same as this. Then I forget one thing. Go to the shapes, grab two sphere. Okay, back to the 3D world. So the player, you may take to the top to the character. Then the sphere, this is changed to debris, like that. Okay, so you then may delete this because we don't need it again. Okay, so we just need this. Then you may back to the main map. In here you may right click, then click on add new UI screen. Wait, again 2 times like this. The first you may change it to game over UI, like that. And then this is game UI, like that. Then back to the 3D world. Okay, so if you're done, you may back to the main map, then double click on the game UI. Then you may drag this control button to here again 2 times, then put it on here and expand it, make it same like this. Um, so the first you may make the name the right button, then this is the no not left, sorry, left button, like that. Okay, then search for the um even observer in logic. Even observer, I almost forgot, sorry. Even observer, put it on the top like this. Okay, then in here the even observer, you may change it to game over, like that. Okay, then after you're done, you may back to the main map, then double click on the game over UI, then pick up navigation button, drag it to here, then expand it like this. Then search for the default fonts, put it on here. In here you may change the name to game over, and this is game over 2, game over. The text is game over, like this. Then you can change the font, but I just have default font, user text, put it like this. Okay, like that. Or if you wanted, you can change it. One more thing I almost forgot. So in here Um, you may drag on the default font again, change it to continue. So if you want to continue the game, you can still play it. Continue. Put it in here like this. Okay, so then you may go to this the game over the looking file like this. Then scroll down to the functions. In function, change it to restart. Remember, in this, not in here. Okay, in here. Then if you done with it, let's get back to the game UI. So then you may grab the default font, put it in here, or up to you. You can edit. You can edit up to you. Okay, then you can change in here. The name is core. Function, change it to score. The world, change it to current world. The score is point, amount is pass, like that. Then let's move on to the 3D world. In the cube edit. Okay, so this is the cube edit. The cube edits in physics, in here in physics, change it to static, like that. So then if you're done, you may double click on a cube edit like this. And then you may search in here for color animation. This is, we need 3. In here, you can change the color. For the Mac is different. You can change it by this pencil. But for Windows, you have to change it like this. But I prefer to go like this because it's more like detail like that. I'm gonna choose cyan. Then in here I gotta choose like a light green, but it's light, so light like that. And then the last is blue. I already have cyan, so we don't need it. I think red, like that. Now then from here, from start, you may go to create it like this. And then from done to start like this, same. Then from done to create it again like this. So let's see the preview. So we have a good rectangle shape. Why it's not connected? Wait. Okay, so I forgot you cannot drag this line to the created again. So if you cannot do that, you may put it on the start again like this. Let me make it uh like this, so you can see. So if I play it or preview it, it will change the color all the time, like this. Back to the 3D world, to the camera. You may click in here. Gonna make the preview more good, like this. Then in position follow, you may change it to gamepad, like this. Okay. Then in here, as you can see, a little ball button start. You may right click, duplicate it. And here we have two start. Change it to one, like this. So the effect is if you add one, like your rectangle, it's gonna be long, 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 long away. Okay, so wait, guys. I'm gonna uh make this thing more good than this. Okay, wait. Okay, so I have done making this more better, like this. As you can see, she's straight ahead. Cool, huh? Okay, let's continue. So then let's continue. Let's click this in here, and then you can see player in here. You may drag it to the center like this, and then let's make it up. Me out from the camera first. Wait, guys. Sorry. Okay, this is a lot better. Okay. Okay, so if you're done, you may double click on the player like this. Then you may click on the start here. As you can see, we have physics. You can change it to kinematic like that. Okay, so this is the effect if you change it to kinematic. We have much ball like this. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Whoa, whoa, whoa! It's a lot. Okay. Okay, so I forgot one thing. This is effect all of our work. Sorry. So you may back to the 3D world. As you can see, we have start and one. So in one, you may delete the ball like this. This is just example. Wait, this is just an example. You have a ball in here, just delete it, click backspace like that. Then you may back to start. You may add a player again, drag it like that. Then you may back to player, make it on kinematic again. Then you can play it again. This is the right thing. You just have one ball, then the line is straight ahead like that. Sorry guys. I forgot about this part. This is the harder part. So so pay attention in this video if you don't want to get some error like that. Okay, continue. So in search you may search for, wait, it's not happening. Touch move. Then you may click it one time. Then in here we have sensitivity. In here change it just to 1 like this, then in here 0 like that. And then in here, as you can see, we have enable. You may drag the line to the created like this. Then put it, I want to put it in the back like this. Maybe in the top instead, so you can see. Then let's see the preview. In here, as you can see, I can move the ball by keep clicking on the ball, and then you may drag it to the right. The ball is gone. Then drag it to the left, as you can see. Okay, like that. Then let's continue. So in here you may search for position limiter like this. Then in here you may delete it, just known like this, known, none, none. Then connect it to the created like this. Then let's see the preview. So if you have a position limiter, you cannot drag your ball as far. We just can right like this or left. So you cannot go out of the line like this. Okay. Okay, so back to the position limiter. If you don't make it like this, change it to -3 like this, then this is +3 like that. Okay, then let's see the preview. Okay, so we do not cross a line, we have more space, but we cannot get across the lines. We have more space. Okay, let's continue. In here we have the touch move. If we already change it to -3 and 3, you can break this, so it's not enabled again. Then you can put it on the back like this, but you cannot move it. So let's move on. Okay, then after you make like this, so you may search for UI button, drag it twice like this. Okay, so then we have two UI button. In here you can change it to right button, and in here left button like that. After you change the name, as you can see in here, right button and left button. In here we have screen. Don't forget to change it. If it's right, change it to right like this. If it's left, change it to left like that. Don't forget it. Okay, so if you don't change it, it will be error. Remember this. Okay, then in here you may back to the main map first, and then I'm gonna make this like this. So you may connect from UI to look like this. Okay, so then after you're done, you may back to the player again. We have the right button, we have the left button. Since we have unconnect the touch move, so we have to connect it again, but with the different blocks. So you may search for the move 2 times. Sorry if you hear a lot noises, because I'm still in home. Move in here, you can change it to move right. In here, move left, like that. So the move right is +5. Then the Z is 0, and move left, the move right is 5. The move left, is -5. Then the Z is 0, like that. So then let's continue. In here, search it for position again. Position animation, like this. Then let's change it. In here is delta uncheck, and the the green one, change it to none, just none, like that. Okay, so let's continue. In here we have position animation. In duration, you may change it to 0.25. Where is the 0.25, like this. And then in here we have move right and move left. So in here we have preset. You may connect this to enable, like this. Then same the left, like this, like that. After you're done, we have release in here. So you may connect to the start and position animation, as you can see, like this. And then the left button, same, put it in start. So let's see the preview, like that. We have a score in here. I forget, in some people, in some PC, in some laptops, people cannot see the preview. So sorry if you cannot see it. Okay, so let's continue. Search for move again. Move like this, but make it all 0 except the blue one. Change it to -5. And then after -5, from here, from enable, connect to start again, create it, like this. Okay, so let's continue, guys. In here we have in start. Let's out from camera preview, go to 1, to the camera preview again. We have enemy in here. You may drag it in here, raise it up out from the camera. Okay, rotate it like this, I think. Okay, this is a good one. Okay, make it submerge a little bit. Then let's see in the camera. Maybe a little bit rotate. Perfect. Let's see the perfume. Wow. I can hit the box, as you can see. Great, huh? Yeah. Oh yeah, like that. Okay, so after you're done, you may go to the enemy, click ons. In here we have physics. You may change it to static, I guess. Let's see. Oh yes, static. Okay, so we were done, guys. So I am gonna make the part 2. So this is the proof of game. We'll continue to the next episode, which is tomorrow. Just wait for the video, okay? Don't forget to save it. To save just a simple, just for MacBook, Command S, or for Windows, Command S, Control S, and then in here I'm gonna name it my game project video, and then label red. Okay, then I can save it. Saving project may take a long time. Command S to save it again. Then you're done. You can out. Okay, yeah, I think that's all from me. Don't forget to like, share, and comment down below. Okay, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.